alarms, the cars keep talking loud. A tiny light that's trying not to drown. Every corner holds 100 mouths. All the stories pushing on my crown. Lost my name across the chasm call. Thought I knew my shape until it stalled. Then you step close, everything gets clean. A single line that pulls back the scene. Oh, you don't ask for proof, you just stand and stay till the clutter settles, till the chaos pays. When the world demands a louder choice, I fall quiet and I find your voice. Disappear in the noise, pull me through the white. When the world is too loud, you make it right. Disappear in the noise, your touch rewrites the night. I go missing in the crowd, but I'm found when you fleeting moments sold, trading edges just to dodge the cold. Names keep changing on a tired screen, but your face repeats a perfect scene. We move like lightning, learning how to breathe. Take the heavy rush and shape it into peace. If the volume swells and my words get thin, you fold the chaos till